Let's see if I can complete all of that today.
Drop it like a thotty, drop it like a thotty. I say now pop it like a thotty, pop it like a thotty. You say now drop it like a thotty, drop it like a thotty. Church girls acting loose, bad girls acting snotty. Let it go, girl, let it out, girl. Twirl that ass like you came up out the south, girl. I say now drop it like a thotty, drop it like a thotty. Bad girls acting raunchy, church girl.
It's been a while, let me know. But did you end up moving out? You're the only one who knows that name. You're the only one who does that face. I just wanna know if you're okay. Only have a couple minutes and already kinda feels like back on your sofa. Of course I still care, and love's never wasted when it's shared. Although it's over, I'll always be there. Only have a couple minutes, yes, we're going to realize. I guess we found a silver lining. I'm glad you're doing so well. If only you could see how I've been. If I'm being real, no, it ain't been the same. We could talk if we want. I already know it's no good for me. It's alright, think I'm fine with the silence. There's some good in goodbyes. Oh.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love
My
is
dreams.
real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Oh, my baby girl.
Yeah.
Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out my fantasy.
Give me the thing that really, really get to life. Tell me all about the things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me slide. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come tell me in the night, I make me get it amplified. On the tip for run, the ship, me now go slip, me now go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. Me give me the toughest, longest type of ride, girl.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind. My fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my
You
dreams.
don't know the love is real.
Picture us dancing real close in a dark corner of a basement party. Every time I close my eyes, it's like everyone left but you and me.
Good morning. It's the next day. After I went to the gym yesterday, I basically didn't film for the rest of the day. I just started my menstrual, so yeah. But on today's agenda, I need to go through all my winter clothes because it's spring/summer now and I need all my summer clothes in my closet. I also need to go to Plato's Closet to bring clothes that I want to go ahead and just sell. If they don't sell, I'm gonna go ahead and just donate to Goodwill or the Salvation Army. I also need to go to the grocery store so I can meal prep. I also need to go to the DMV. What else do I need to do? And I also need to finish cleaning both bathrooms and my bedroom. Hopefully I can do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. I already have what I'm wearing, just sweatpants and my yoga pants because sweatshirt and my yoga pants because I'm not trying to get dressed. I am bloated. So yeah, let's go ahead and get ready for the day. I also have to do my hair. I have not washed my hair since, it's been 2 weeks now. So that's another thing I have to do today and figure out what style I want to do. I did like the braids, but I think next time I'm going to do braids and a half wig in the back to kind of give it some length. So I gotta add that to my agenda. So DMV, Plato's Closet, organize my closet for summer, wash my hair, and then finish the upstairs and downstairs bathroom. Also go grocery shopping. Let's see if I can complete all of that today. It is currently 10:30. I'm trying to be done with everything by no later than 6:30. So let's go ahead and get this show on the road.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared of you, no, I'm not. Long as you joking down here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, doing, I joke bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. So the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You were just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex around you, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We ain't had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying,
Okay, don't mind the noise in the bathroom. I'm washing dishes, but this right here is all the stuff that's going to Plato's Closet. It's a huge bag. Guess how much I'm probably gonna get for it.
Say what, yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, say what. Ooh, girl, you know what's up.
Oh yeah, that's the word.
Me and my people be rolling. Even on you when you're lonely. River stay outside. All grown out in a bit. Hit the park and party. Hope that you walk this way. Say what,
Okay, this is what the closet is looking like. I went through all my winter clothes and I put them away. These are just all the clothes that I have for the summer and springtime. So I'm definitely gonna have to go shopping this week to get some more because it looks like I have no clothes. But I did do a lot of damage that I'm going to get rid of, clothes that I'm not gonna use, not gonna wear anymore, aren't really my style. They're all going to Plato's Closet. Same with the shoes. These are all the shoes that I kept that don't have boxes, and then all the shoes that I did keep are up here with boxes. And then I have like 2 like miscellaneous shoes, like my Crocs are in those last 2 shoe boxes over there. But this is what the closet is looking like. It looks a lot more emptier than normal, but I am moving in like 2 months, so I just needed to downsize anyways. But she came out pretty clean. I kind of organized from color. I normally do like light to dark, but since I don't really have much in there, this is just what I have so far. It is going to get reorganized once I move, but this is the finished product for that. I look rough, but it's from all the cleaning and stuff. Then after I did my closet, I went ahead and did my handbags, and I did Plato's Closet bag and a winter bag. All my handbags that I have, I already put away. They're underneath my bag, underneath that pink moving bag that I have. And then I also put my winter clothes in that pink bag as well too. So far I have 3 bags. One to go to Plato's Closet, the other one is for my winter clothes, and then the other one is for like my handbags and like my purses and stuff like that. I do have 3 more, I think. I don't know where they went. I think I have 3 more pink moving bags. I'm probably going to use one for like all my paperwork, my passport, social, and all those like important paperworks in there. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with the other 2. I guess once I move, I'll use one bag for all my spring stuff and then the other bag for like miscellaneous and shoe stuff. I'm trying to really organize and condense a lot of things, so when I get out of here in 2 months, I don't got to worry about last minute packing. So your girl had a successful spring reset. I think I did pretty good. I cleaned, I went to the gym, I meal prepped. Even though I didn't really meal prep a lot of meals, I did film on a Monday and it's Wednesday now, so I only meal prep for just Thursday and Friday because I like to eat out on Saturdays and Sundays. That's like my cheat treat. So yeah, then I'm gonna hop in a shower, take a little everything shower, and decompress. I have a movie date later on today, so I'm gonna get ready for that, but that's just gonna be in a whole nother video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get showered up, and then I'll do my intro once I get out. So I am officially out the shower, and I'm gonna go ahead and do an intro because my last video I did not do one. So thank you guys for enjoying my little spring reset. The next time you see me, I'll be a bad ass. You know what? Because I look rough. Like, the hairstyle was cute and all, but now it's time for something new and improved. And here goes bingo. But anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on another video. Bye, girl.